So as for the second part, I'm going to introduce to the AutoCAD exporting filter. It's easy actually. Open one DWG made with Illustrator with an AutoCAD GS. Opening DWG, follow those dialogues. Make sure to follow up those dialogues. There is one tip I can show you here is as long as we have those redundant splines inside, it's better to clean up the scene of those splines. Let's try to make it. For this, let's move the best way is to move it like it's to resize it like this, and then move specify the point, move out like this, and then we can choose and delete by ensuring the delete 0 0. I will adjust the geometry later, and this for the moment is enough to save. And as for the AlphaCAM, exporting further into the AlphaCAM, we need to save it, especially in this AutoCAD 2013 DXF. It's native format. I already have them here, but anyway, I can save, resave. This is replacing it, and we will have, this is our splines. The splines ready. I'm making accent of, especially this is the spline geometry, just to make sure we need to adjust them before to come into the AlphaCAM. For AlphaCAM is not working with spline geometry. It works with the leaf vector geometry, okay, which is what is everything is around. Let's quiet AutoCAD for the moment. Let's save. Yes, DXF. It's okay. Don't save. Needed. Like here, and let me start up the AlphaCAM. Well, since the current version of AlphaCAM is not compatible with any macOS here, so I need to run it within the Windows 10 environment, and I run it parallels. It looks pretty much like native, but still it has some issues behind. Sometimes because it's all about the splitting of resources, the resources required for the operating systems and applications some use, especially demanding ones like in AutoCAD. So okay, let's make it run. Let's make it run. For it still requires close. Now it's completely opened, so I can use two methods as well. Two methods. One is by default. It's by apartment code inside the AlphaCAD. The second one is the same as we were used to do with the macOS. It's just a drag and drop. So let's see. Here for this dialog in AutoCAD extension, whichever you prefer to use, and AutoCAD also drag and drop. So here we need to make sure that the convert spline to lines is pressed, and probably join result in lines arcs is also is a must. Okay, and after that we can see how it appears in geometry inside the AlphaCAM. This geometry is good for processing with the machining tools, so I do encourage you to check with the part number 3 for the machining parts. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and have a beautiful day. Stay tuned for the updates. Dr. Genuks was online for you. Bye.